How to make a group chat on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account on TikTok application. Also, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. If you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Now, as I logged into your account on TikTok, just wait for a while until it loads and then simply tap on the profile section at the bottom right corner of the screen. So as you do that, you'll be able to land on the profile page of your TikTok account. So simply wait for a while and tap on the profile section. Now as you tap on the profile section, what you can simply do is you'll be able to see the option of adding or having a group chat. So simply let's wait until it loads to the profile section. And as you do that, you can simply select on the option of this plus icon at the top left corner of the screen. Select on it, and as you select on the plus icon at the top left corner, you'll be able to see the option to add various people. So here you can simply find friends, but if you want to simply create an account, you can tap on the inbox option. So tap on the inbox option, and here you can simply select on the group icon at the top left corner. So here you can simply search by name or username, and you can simply just add on the people, and you can create a group chat by tapping on create. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.